In the previous video, we tried to add the ASL-Kata database from the ACP project to our training project. But since we had a database with similar DB number, we could not use the include or copy foreign features. In this case, we need to use command line interface features. This tutorial might be good for more experienced admins, and it's always better to take a backup from your project before doing these kinds of actions. So in case something goes wrong, you can revert back to your backup. First, we need to open the project we want to copy the database from. In this case, the ACP project. So I open the admin module, and in the database and extract section, I look for the database I want to copy. From the Tools tab, open the command window and follow these commands. First, we need to specify the database we want to copy from using this command. From DB followed by the database name, so in this case, master/ASL-Kata. Then we need to specify name of the files that the data will be copied to. So I type to file, and then we need to specify two file names. I name them file1 and file2. Then using the RCFCOPY all command, all the data from the database will be copied. If you don't want all the data instead of all, you can type the name of the element, for example, site1. Here I want all the data, so I change it back to all. Then use the command Reconfigure to finish the process. Then we need to open the destination project, which is our training project, and create a new database with the configuration we want. So I choose Kata as the owning team and name it ASL Kata. Then I select catalog as the database type and use 6021 as the DB number. Now we want to use the following command to paste the data we copied to this new database. First, we need to specify the files that the data is stored in using the command from file and then name of the files, so file1 and file2. Then we need to specify the destination database using 2DB and then the database name. Here, kata/ASL Kata. Finally, type Reconfigure to finish the process. The job is finished when in the command window you see reconfiguration completed. And also check if any error happened during the reconfiguration process. Now, if I add the database to the MDB and open the Paragon module, you can see that the database contains the data from the ASL Kata database from the ACP project. If you want more information on this subject, you can read the transferring data between projects topic from the AVEVA engineering documentation.